some stuff.
Normally I would use pins, yes.
You would?
Mm-hmm.
We brought up the box of fabrics so we can have plenty of scraps to play with. And I just emptied one bag of brown scraps. Brown's a pretty popular color in junk journaling, I think. These are all the ones we were going to sew also. Good.
My first hinge.
And I've done hinges that were just strips of fabric going across instead of a whole line.
And then I like to see a hinge without a sewing machine because a lot do not have a sewing machine. Would you be able to do it then?
Yeah, you could use your fabric glue on that.
Okay.
And then,
because I really couldn't take my own sewing machine to share with everybody, you know?
Yeah.
I personally just don't do that. So is that correct?
Yep. Now, these are your folded dictionary pages.
Okay.
And some of them got ripped.
Okay.
So what we'll do is open this up. Sew some fabric on it to fill in the spot. So you'll take it over.
I'll have to see how you do that.
Yeah, there's plenty of them to, well, several over there to do. So I want to lay the fabric down in there where I know this two edges will hit. Tear is up there. And this paper is a little bit flimsy.
Yes, it is.
And so I'm going to actually leave a little bit of space in there. And it doesn't even matter if it's crumply or, you know, it adds character to have that crumpled. Because I want to see the fabric through here, which I'll even do a little rip on it. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Just so that shows through the back side. And if I had the pinky shears out here, that would be good to use pinky shears. So you just kind of want to do this patch.
Okay.
Scissors. Left-handed person, the scissors are on the left hand.
And I moved the foot pedal too.
Right, I noticed that. I was like, okay, I can use my right foot.
Are you videoing?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So now that's what the pocket will look like.
Okay, so if I'm doing mine, this, where would the pocket be? So what side do I do it on?
Either side.
So I can go ahead and do it on this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, let me sew this pocket shut. Oh, of course I unthreaded it because I didn't hold my darn thread. Some machines are pickier about. You've got to hold that thread, or
Right.
it's just going to pull it right out. It depends on if I have a lot there, I will go all the way, sew all the way down this edge, but there's not a whole lot of pocket spots, so I'm just going to go back down and sew across it. You know, you might have to reinforce this pocket with some paper too.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, let me cut that thread.
Okay.
So this will go in the book. These are the size pages. It'll go over this way and only have a little bit of
Got
thread
it.
here.
Okay.
Or it can go in this way
Mhm.
and have just a teeny pocket on that side.
Okay.
So we'll play that later as you make stuff. And you can use any of these other scraps. I mean, even this lace would be pretty in there.
Okay.
But since you have one page with that on it, that page might
Okay.
be next to that hinged one,
Okay.
and they'll see the continuing of that. So this is repairing a rip on a paper.